Alright, you got your ear protection on?
Yeah.
And your eye protection?
Yeah.
And your head protection?
Yeah.
And your hand protection?
Yeah.
What is that?
Ball.
Ball. What are you going to do with it?
Ball.
Be gentle.
Sit. Sit down. Sit.
Need some help, Roman?
Go. Are you all done?